Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly add Pinterest widgets and buttons to your WordPress website. By the end of this guide, your visitors will be able to see your Pinterest content directly on your site, making it easier to share, follow, and engage. Let's dive in. Access your WordPress dashboard first. Head over to your WordPress homepage and log in. You can use your credentials, or if you want a faster login, click on Continue with Google and select your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be inside your WordPress dashboard. Enter the site editor next. Locate the quick links section on your dashboard and click on Edit Site. This will open the website editor where you can make all your customizations. Add the Pinterest widget. Inside the editor, look for the plus icon in the top left corner. This opens the element or widget list. In the search bar, type Pinterest. Click on the Pinterest widget from the results to add it to your page. Configure and embed your Pinterest account. Once the widget is on your page, enter your Pinterest profile URL in the settings panel. Then hit the embed button to connect your Pinterest account. This will automatically display your latest content on your WordPress site. Save your changes finally. Don't forget to click the Save button in the top right corner. This ensures all your changes are applied and live for your visitors to see. And that's it. Your WordPress site now has fully functional Pinterest widgets and buttons, making it easier than ever for your audience to connect with your content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.